You don't have to be a bartender
See?
expert in how to make
You don't need, what is called, the Lucy? Hello, gentlemen and ladies, and you're in between as well. Hi. So we're here looking around the Consumer Electronics Show at the CES Expo, and we see lots of smart IoT devices powered by artificial intelligence. So I think the artificial intelligence has replaced smart now. So we see lots of different companies in different fields, from hearing aids to sensors to IoT. We saw the IQ, which is the company that computes the eyesight for you. Lots of different companies, lots of different sensors. Stay tuned. You ever thought that everything was already invented? DrinkWorks. Kuerig has come up with the latest machine
Everyone can drink
to get the
You don't
drink.
have to stock a full bar. You don't have to be a bartender
See?
expert in how to make
You don't
drinks.
need to be a bartender.
It is
an
an
expert.
open market. So right now we got about 28 drinks available. All you see behind me on the wall. You'll see Stella
All the
Ciders
drinks are
on
there.
We
The
just
drink
partnered
works.
with Brown Foreman. It does Jack Daniels, Gentleman Jack. So other major labels and distributors, you'll start to be able to get your pod of Woodford Reserve bourbon or whatever you want. Just like I can go get Dunkin' Donuts coffee right now in the Cape Pods. The machine retails for $2.99 at the show today and tomorrow only. $199, $100 off. Come see one of us. We have iPads if you're interested. We can walk you through the process. There's a promo code you use, CES 199, and the pods run about $16 for a tube, 4 canisters. You get 4 pods. So $16 for 4, average is about $4 a drink.
How many different drinks?
About 28 right now. We come out with you.
So we're moving on here. So we're past the DrinkWorks machine. I guess a lot of people likes Works, like Mobility Works, my company, in the space where we have incubation at the Eglevator. So we're continuing on here. So we saw a lot of smart protection and smart IoT solutions with sensors, AI and IoT platforms for smart products. That seems to be like the main thing over here. And hello. Hi. And everybody's connected to, works with Amazon Alexa, and work with Google Home or Google Assistant.
Absolutely.
Hey Google, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. So we're moving on here. You're watching TechEDTV. This is kind of like the ambience of the trade show here, Consumer Electronics Show at the CES Expo here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So we're moving on here to other interesting areas. So we have electronic caregiver premiere over there, the virtual caregiver. So that's a new area of research. Thinking about robotic cleaning machines. Here you got. Is this like the Roomba or like the?
Not like the
It's better.
It's better, yeah.
Why is it better?
Because we're using, we have new cameras. So we use depth cameras to give us some more functionalities, like we can do object recognition.
Okay.
We will know the distance to the object. The robot get closer to the object, it just before.
Oh, okay. Where is this base at?
In Amazon.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in Santa Clara.
Oh, Santa Clara.
Yeah.
What is called the Lucy?
Yeah, this one is called.
So was it which were the other machine you have? What other machine you have besides Lucy?
Huh?
What other ones you have besides Lucy?
We have Max and Emma. Yeah. So this is our lineup. So Emma is our entry level product, and Max is the mid-tier, and Lucy is our hand.
Where are they?
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, that's over there.
Yeah.
So the main difference is what? Like more.
So this one doesn't have camera.
Oh, doesn't have camera.
It just do some credit cleaning.
Emma. Okay.
This one it has camera for the time video. We use this camera to do the mapping.
Okay.
Yeah, so we use this one to create a map.
Cool.
That one is Lucy. So you have the camera and the car camera. So we not only can do the mapping, not only also do the obstacle avoidance.
Obstacle avoidance. What's the price of the Lucy?
It's $7.99.
And Emma, I think it's like cheap.
Yeah, Emma is $2.49.
And this guy is like three. $3.99.
Yes.
So Max is $3.99, Lucy is $7.99, and this is $2.99.
Yes.
All right, people, if you want to have your own cleaning machine and save some money on cleaning, purchase. Where do you purchase this? Online on Amazon?
It's not on the market now. Yeah, we'll release it soon.
Oh, we're releasing soon. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll stay tuned. Thanks again. Bye-bye.